everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we're going to be doing something really pretty and simple, and it's going to be very quick. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in with the color Birthday Suit by Essie, which is a super light pink, and I'm using this as a base for the pearls on the pinky and for the ombre on the middle finger. Again, that is in the color Birthday Suit by Essie. And then I'm also going to be using the color Perfect Black by Madam Glam. I'm applying that on the ring finger and also on the thumb. And then on the index finger, I'm going to be using the color Sheared Pink by D&D. And these two, the black one and the other pink, are going to be gel polishes. Alrighty, so we're going to let that hand cure for 30 seconds, and we're going to do the same thing on the other hand. So again, Birthday Suit on the middle finger and the pinky, and then the black on the ring finger and the thumb, and the sheared pink on the index finger. Alrighty, so now we're going to go in and do the second coat of the gel polish. Again, we're doing sheared pink on the index finger, and then the black ones are Perfect Black by Madam Glam. I do have a promo code for them, so I'll be sure to leave that down below. And then again, we are curing each coat for 30 seconds. Okay, so for the middle finger, we're going to do the ombre with the makeup wedge sponge and the two different colors. So for this one, I am using a regular nail polish, which is that same sheared pink by D&D, but for the black, I'm using the Madam Glam gel polish. I usually use regular nail polish for this, but apparently I don't have a black regular nail polish, so I had no choice but to use this one. But that's why I'm gonna have to come back in and do like 3 coats of it, because with the gel polish, it doesn't give you that full coverage that we want. So again, we did the ombre with the makeup wedge sponge, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other finger after we do a second coat of each color. So same thing, I'm applying the polish on the sponge. I usually apply the color that's going on it first, and then I apply the second color that goes around the cuticle area second, and then I just dab the color on the nail. Make sure that I'm turning my client's finger as I go. That way I get a full coverage on the entire nail. Since again the black is gel polish, we are having to cure that middle finger in between each coat. And then again, when you use gel polish, it does work when you use the makeup wedge sponge technique, but the color does not go on as good, so you have to do like 3 coats of it. But as you can see, it still turns out very pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and do another coat on the other finger. Just keep going in and applying polish on the sponge, and then just go in and do your second or third coat. It doesn't matter how many you do, it's always gonna depend on the color and how bright you want the color to be. So you know, just kind of look at it, and if you feel like it's dark enough, then of course you don't have to go back in. But if you feel like you need to add a little bit more, that's fine as well. Once you're done, just clean around the cuticle area, and that's pretty much it. So now we're going to go in with my small nail art brush, and we're going to be drawing some lips. So as you can see, I kind of draw like a M shape for the top lip. I'm using my small nail art brush, and I'm hoping that I can get these for my website for next time that I restock, because they're so like easy to work with and I love them so much. So for now, next I'm doing the bottom lip. So as you can see, again, I do like the M shape at the top, and then just this like a upside down C at the bottom. And again, this is the color Sheared Pink by D&D, and it is a gel polish. Once I have the lips, I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand. But it's really nice and simple to do. Again, just do like a M at the top, and then like a upside down C at the bottom. And of course, just make them as thick or thin as you want them. So just add a little bit more polish and just keep retracing them until you get that look that you want. Alrighty, so once it's cured, we're going to go ahead and go in with the white, and this is basically just going to be the teeth part. Once we have this down, I'm going to go in and do like the drip effect, and I'm going to be using another pink. It's very similar to the one that I'm using now, except for this one it's a bit shimmery. So we're going to do the drip. As always, I do a dot and then I drag it up towards the top, and we're going to do just a few of those, and basically to make it seem like the mouth is dripping. Same thing for the other one. We're just going to do the line for the teeth in the middle, and then we're going to do the pink drip. Next, we're going to be doing the Chanel logo. So I'm going to basically just draw 2 C's against each other where they kind of interlock in the middle. And then we're also going to do the drip. For this one, I'm using the same small nail art brush, and then I'm using the black, which is the gel polish by Madame Glam in the color Perfect Black, which is the same one that we used for the other nails. Now I'm just going in and kind of just tracing the teeth, just very small lines. And then same thing, we're going to go ahead and do the 2 C's, and then we're going to come back in and do the drip once these are cured. Alrighty, so now we're going to go in and apply the pearls on the pinky. So we're basically going to just apply the pearls where we applied the polish at the beginning to where it's going to just be the edges with the pearls. I'm using my SS6 and my SS12 pearls, my Soleil nail adhesive, and my wax pencil. And again, we're just doing the edges of the nail. And then after this, we're going to go ahead and spray this nail with the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator to help that glue dry a lot faster. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my top coat. I'm using my Madam Glam gel top coat, and we're going to go ahead and apply this on all of the nails. After this, we're going to go ahead and apply the pearls on the other pinky, and then we're going to apply a top coat on that as well. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out very pretty and very different, but I love the black and the pink together. They just look so pretty. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at GetNo32, and I'll see you guys next time.